Bitcoin is going to choose the direction upward or downward. Will they have a big upward or a big downward? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart and also the fund movement. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more and learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. This is only for education purpose. Previously, I mentioned Bitcoin is very possible because the monthly chart, if we look at the monthly chart, we have continuously 7 green candle. It's very possible this month we will show up a red candle. What does it mean, the red candle? It means the closing price is lower than the opening price. Okay, so basically because it's actually Bitcoin has broken the record. Usually it's 6 candle and then you flash a red candle, and this time it's 7 candles already. So what happened is, if we look at the weekly chart, this candle, the first red candle here, is quite interesting because they have a long upper body and a long upper wick and a long down wick. Basically, the next candle I told you is critical. This one, right? So you show the whole body close below this red the closing price. You mean they have a very high chance to go downward. Somehow, what is interesting, two candle confirm they have a strong buying power, which is these two. You can see a long lower wick. Okay, so you mean yeah, a very strong buying power when they go down. So when we look at the daily chart, what is interesting is the daily chart basically. Previously, Bitcoin actually is running inside a triangle like this. So let me show you. So, and basically on this day, it, it go up and then they come back down and battle again within this triangle. What is interesting, if you look at the fund movement, if we look at the YM Big Buy, you can see very clearly the fund movement. On exactly this day, they go above zero. And so far, we still go above zero. So it is, YM Big Buy is the temporary day for daily checking for the big volume. Okay, so basically on this day you can see Bitcoin is getting stronger. Of course, trend is very important, so I will show you the trend also. So but I want to show you the pattern of this, because this pattern basically, even you don't have my indicator, you can still see it. So basically Bitcoin is choosing the direction within this triangle. Once they break out, we can even calculate how far they can go up before the next resistance. Okay, so basically they will need to make the decision before 25th of April. If we use this triangle, basically, if we use this triangle, if we use this triangle, basically it's around the halving day, around 18th of April, they need to make a decision. They're going upward or they're going downward. Okay. So another thing you can check is the Bollinger Band. So this is very interesting. It's getting narrow. So what does it mean? When it's getting narrow, it means once they go above, when they go up, the mouth opening up, they will have a very big movement. It happens every single time. Look at this. Okay. And you can see the orange line here. So far, the orange line is going upward. It's going upward. Basically, since my fund is above zero, it means the fund movement is strong. But it's not it's not crazily strong because we are still battling around the zero level, right? So the good thing is the Bitcoin is already above this orange line. So okay, apart from the Bollinger Band, so once we need to wait, apart from the triangle pattern, if you don't have my indicator, you can also look at the Bollinger Band. So once they open the mouth, you can also look at what is the position compared to the orange line. So the stock is above the orange line and over below the orange line. And when they're below, basically they're going to downward. And if the once the orange line is going upward, so they will go upward trend. Okay, so basically they will need to make the decision. Another thing I want you to look is the YM Club Fast, YM Cup Long, and Super Long. So this is my exclusive indicator. When you buy stock or coins, you need to look at three things. One, trend line. Okay, you need to know the trend. To follow the trend, we don't go against the trend. Second is the fund movement. Any fund coming in or they're going out. Number three is the buy sell point. Okay, so what happened is Okay, let's say you don't know how to look at the pattern. If you look at my indicator, what happened is the fast track, which is the red line, is going upward. Okay, and the normal trend line is flat. And basically, the blue line is the long-term trade, long-term investor trade. So basically, what happened is you can see when the purple going downward, from downward to upward, basically it tell us this is the bottom. This is the bottom, which is around 15,000. 15,000 basically from downward change to upward. Then they tell us this is the bottom. Okay. We can also see the fund is coming in. The institution fund is coming in right here. The green one, the green bar. Again, the green bar just show us the fund coming in. It doesn't mean this is the absolutely bottom because it would take fund to come in for a long time because it's a lot of fund. Okay, it's not just a small fund. So it would take time to buy the coins. Okay, so it take time. So basically, the purple line can tell you where is the purple very clearly. Okay, and also you use YM chip entry. You can also look at where is the fund coming in, especially for a very long time frame. For example, for this market, this time, you can look at weekly chart. What happened is you can look at this time zone. Okay, this is the buying time for institution. Are they low? Yes, they're very low. Look, each market they buy at the bottom. Okay, so we back to the point. We go back to the daily chart. What happened to daily chart? Interesting thing is this three line. So the purple line going upward. What does it mean? It means the super long term, we are in the bull one. We're in the bull one. So in the super long term trade, we are still safe to hold the stock, to hold the coins. Okay. For the trend line is getting fat. It means you could come here and have a correction. It's very possible. And the red is the fast track. It is still going upward. So it means it's possible we go up to touch the blue and come back down. Depends on the fund. Or they need to go above the blue to confirm the correction is done and we go up again. Okay. So it will depends how it play. So far we are very strong. We are actually using this purple line serve as a support. You can see clearly here. Okay. So right now we are above the red line and the red line is going upward. So for short-term trader, you can use the red line for the indicator to buy and sell. You buy when they go above, you sell when they drop below. Okay, when also the direction will change. But the best opportunity, the best investment opportunity I will see is the purple and the blue line. Okay, we buy at the bottom, we sell at the high. So we ignore this kind of thing. What happened? What is the strategy right now? Is not selling because we're still in the bull one. We will still go up and we have no confirmation how far they can drop, right? Although we can use golden ratio, but we still don't know. So I recommend you can use my indicator as a buy sell point, or you can start to you don't need to sell all the stock even they have the correction, because even they have correction, in the end we haven't reached the peak yet, so we still can hold it, and then we add our position when they come back to our support. Okay, when they get close to our support, we have the safe point, and then we can start to accumulate the stock, okay, or coins. So if we look at Bitcoin, we have YM chip entry here. So if you buy here, even the trend going downward, okay, when they go above here again, you buy. So this is a very safe point because you know institution come in here. They come before you and it's not far away from you. So you buy here when the trend confirm this is an upward trend, you buy, you hold. Okay. Okay. Another thing I want you to check is the YM cheapest. YM cheapest is slightly getting less, but it's not too significantly less. Okay, so it's not so much to tell, but just the peak is getting lower and lower, but still it's still in a very healthy signal. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin update. I just want to show you this is going to have either correction or a big movement upward. Okay, so our strategy basically is to add our position instead of selling. Okay, so because we are still in the bull one, try to sell less and decrease the frequency. So you can make a bigger profit. So right now we are still quite healthy, and then basically the big fund is not much movement here as well. So basically everyone is looking at the breakout point. So this is the update today, and click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to have this indicator to tell you the trend line, the fund movement, like this one and this one and this one, basically you can subscribe in our description link, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, bye.